I want to use this.
Oh, be careful with the scissors. Make sure that your mom and dad is beside you when you use the scissors. Wow!
This
Ang ganda.
and sa eyeballs.
You see? This one, you see. Show to them this one first. Wow. Okay.
Let's open this.
This one, you see? Wow. What's this?
Meow.
Wow. This one, wow. Great job. Wait, I'll picture.
Look. Look at this.
Wow. Beautiful. May picture nga this nga lang? One, wait, I'll picture. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Let's open this.
Okay. Wow. Beautiful.
What will next? Okay, this.
Beautiful.
Where's the last?
This one is beautiful. Love. Nak, smile. Nak, smile. Here.
Mommy.
What's that? It's an
Eye.
eyeball.
What from this one? It's inside.
So, ulat ah. You made them all? You're so galing ah. Wow.
Where's the bowl? Nothing. Ice cream cone.
Wow.
And the bowl.
Wow.
The bowl. Cut it. Where my scissors? Where my scissors? Saan ako scissors?
Ayun po.
I think I'm gonna make this.
Okay.
There's a cone ice cream.
Beautiful.
Put it there.
Nak. Aya. This. You put this there. Nah. Ako na to.
And this one is cream. Cream. Where's the cream? Oh no! I broke the cream. Oh no!
It's okay no. You forgot? It's okay no. Still beautiful.
My cream. I'm gonna fix the cream.
Ang galing ay.
Put some bow for him. Bing. Can you put the bow here?
Sorry.
Ice
Ah.
But there's eyeball.
Why there's an eyeball?
I'm gonna eat you.
Okay. Can I eat this also?
Mm-mm.
Oh, let's eat. Share. Oh, no. Just kunwari lang.
I want to eat ice cream tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, don't eat that.
Bye bye, guys.
Look, it's so beautiful. I'm so proud. Up here. Great job. Kips.
I'm a little baby boy.
Bye, guys. Good night.
Good night.
What will you say to them?
Like and subscribe. Yay.
Hey, bye.
Bye bye.